Terminals around the world. When traveling around the world, you visit a lot of airports. Let's look at two of the most interesting international airports around the world. New York City is a destination that most people would love to visit. If you are lucky enough to travel there, your plane will probably land at Jfk Airport. Its construction started in 1943, when it became clear that the city's first major airport, LaGuardia, was simply too small for such a big city. The major airlines that were going to use the airport designed the terminals, and so each one is unique. In 1948, the first passenger flight left the airport. Its official name was New York International Airport, but in December 1963, it was renamed in memory of President John F. Kennedy. Now over 53 million passengers pass through JFK Airport each year. Astana is one of the most modern and exciting cities in the world. With its striking architecture and huge open boulevards, it's a unique travel destination. If you ever visit Astana from abroad, then you'll probably arrive at Astana International Airport. Although there has been an airport in Astana since 1931, they started building the amazing structure we see today in 1997. In 2005, the new passenger terminal opened. These days, it is one of the busiest airports in Central Asia, with almost 4 million passengers passing under its beautiful blue dome every year. What airports have you visited when traveling?